my baby goes into the prone. I can't zoom out.
I'm not used to bolt action at all. Such a semi-auto girl.
Oren, you better be in that truck. Okay. Woo!
Yeah, that's good. That's real good right there. I like that.
My baby taking it like a man.
Like a man, like a soldier.
Like a soldier girl. That's my soldier girl. That's why I married her. She can handle firearms. Sometimes I'm ashamed that sometimes she fires better than me. I'm the NCO that gets expert every time it goes out to the range. What the heck? Well, I'm going to pose to a really nice challenge to her here shortly. We're going to put that scope to use now that we know it's on. Good job.